Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how property management companies can use analytics to stay on top of local law requirements and avoid missed deadlines across their portfolio. One of our clients in the property management industry needed a more reliable way to track compliance status, monitor upcoming regulatory deadlines, and quickly identify properties that required attention. To address this, our team at Perceptive Analytics developed this analytical solution specifically for the compliance team. With this dashboard, teams can track compliance status in real time, spot high-risk properties instantly, take timely action on expiries, improve overall compliance rates. If your team is facing similar challenges, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's have a quick look at how this works. At the top, we have 4 cards giving a quick overview of the compliance status. They show us how many properties have expired local laws, how many require immediate attention, and how many will need action in the next 30 or 90 days. Below that, we have visuals showing the breakdown by local law category and how many properties are affected under each. This gives us clarity on which laws are causing the most compliance issues. Next to that, we have a month-wise view of upcoming expiries. This chart shows how many laws are due or require action in each month. We also have a detailed property level table, giving us complete visibility for ground level follow-ups. Now, let's take a closer look. We observe that 53 properties have already missed their compliance deadlines, while 127 properties require immediate action. We can also see these 53 properties segmented by local law categories in the chart below. For example, 6 properties have expired compliance under the BBR local law. This chart helps the team spot recurring issues tied to specific regulations. We can also hover over the bar and get a list of all these 6 properties with expired BBR law. Next, we see a month-wise drill down of local law expirations. For 5 properties, the local law compliance is set to expire in August 2024. Hovering over the bar shows exactly which laws are involved, so the team can act early. We can also click on the visuals to filter the full dashboard. For example, clicking on a specific month on law type instantly updates the table below to show only the relevant properties. Let's select August month now. We can see that for the property Coral Springs, the LL33 local law compliance is due to lapse in the next 10 days. This is clearly a high priority case, and the dashboard highlights it front and center so that no such urgent items are missed. If you want to assess how effectively you are managing local law compliance across your own portfolio, you can schedule a free consultation with us right now. Perceptive Analytics is your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.